All right, now we are solving problem 25 of Math Kangaroo Contest for grade 5-6 of year 2018. I'll read the problem first as usual. So problem 28. Did I say 25? I'm sorry. So problem 28. 14 people are seated at a round table. Each person is either a liar or tells the truth. Everybody says, both my neighbors are liars. What is the maximum number of liars at the table? So maybe the correct problem would be like, what's the possible maximum number of liars that could be seated on table or something like that. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So, like I always said, you should really try this and that. So what if liars sit in a table in consecutive way? What happens or something like that? So I went through this processing, right? I didn't come up with this answer right away. But then after that process, what I found out is if truth teller sits somewhere, then he says, he says, both my neighbors are liars. Because she is truth teller, the two persons sitting right beside her should be liars, right? So first observation, if there's a truth liar, two people right beside her should be liars, right? The second observation, now, if liar sits here, then there are three possibilities because she says both are liars, right? But she's liar. So it should be the case, the three cases. First possibility is liar and truth teller. The second, truth teller and a liar. The third possibility is truth teller or truth teller, right? So this will lead us to conclude this will lead us to the answer. How? Because now, for example, what you can do is you can sit truth teller, liar, truth teller, liar, truth teller, liar, truth teller, liar, like that, right? It doesn't violate any of these rules, right? Because for each truth teller, there are two liars. For each truth teller, there are two liars right beside them. And for each liar, there are truth teller around her. So this doesn't violate anything. But the problem is, what's the possible maximum, the largest number of the liars? So you kind of want to put as many liars as possible. So that means you should put a lot of liars here. But like I said, if there's a liar, it should be the situation should be one of these, right? But if I choose this, then I kind of, not maximizing the number of liars. So I should choose this one and either that one. But by symmetry, I can only think of one case. So let's say truth teller, and you can put one more liar here, right? So this is good. But now we want to maximize the number of liars, so we're attempt to put liars here, but that violates this rule. Because if there's a liar, she has at least one truth teller around her. So this person should be truth teller. Now, because this person is truth teller, there should be liar right next to him, according to this rule. Now, you can have truth teller again, but by the same token, the same argument, we want to maximize the number of liars. So this is the pattern that we can have in order to maximize the number of liars that are sitting at the table. Now, so you can have the pattern here, right? The 3, 3, 3. So if the problem were, there are 15 people, then you would say like, okay, there is 5 groups of truth teller, TLL, 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 and TL. Okay, here we go. LL and TLL. So there will be like 2 times 5, 10 liars, right? But the problem is a little bit tricky. So there's a 14 people. So to maximize it, so let's say we start from here and we just follow this pattern. But here, now we put truth teller and liar, but we only have 14 people. So this should be the case. Now we need to check the edge condition right here, right? But like I said, truth teller should have the 2 liars around them, and the liars can have 2 truth liars around her. So we kind of prove that this is the configuration of the sitting as to maximize the number of liars. I hope this makes sense. So if this were the case, that there are 2 liars for each group here. So 2 times 4, which is, okay, there we go. 2 times which is 8, but there is 1 more liar, so we should add 1 here. So this 9, number 9, is the maximum number of liars. So the answer is choice C. Thank you.